Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. I'm so proud of my baby. He know how to do it all. This candle that he lit, it smells so good. Look, y'all got to get this candle. I mean, this bedroom smells so good. So good. He cleaned up so good. So proud of him. So proud. One thing about Miss Teal, she gonna have her a big, huge, nice bed to lay in with a very good mattress. Before I spend $2,000 up on any shoes or any purses, this chick here gonna have her a nice, good bed to lay in. I love a good mattress. Thank you, babes. Great job. I enjoy my big bed. Great job, great job, great job. A family that pray together, stay together. Happy Sunday.